Hello. So we want to find the inverse of a matrix. So this lecture follows the previous lecture on the inverse of a matrix. So we'll go through an example. So I have the matrix A to be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 5, 6, 0, 2. Okay, so in finding the inverse of a matrix, we said we need to find the determinants of A. Then we find the cofactors, let's say B. Then we find the adjoint, which is the transpose of the cofactors. Then the inverse is going to be what? 1 over the determinants of A multiplied by what? Our adjoint. Okay. So now let's go through. Let's find the determinants of A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 5, 6, 0, 2. Okay, so we want to find the determinants. So what do? We have 1. Let's form the matrix. So let's strike a line with the row and column. So I have what? 1, 5, 1, 5, 0, 2. Minus the place sign of 2 here is negative. So if you strike out the column and row of 2, what do I have? I have 4, 5, 6, 2. So 4, 5, 6, 2 plus 3. Let's cross out the column and row of that element. So I have 4, 1, 6, 0. So if I want to find the determinants of this matrix, what do I have? I have 1 times 2, which is 2, minus 5 times 0 is what? 0. Minus 2, 4 times 2 is what? 8, minus 5, 6, 30, plus 3, 2 brackets, 4 times 0 is 0. Then 1 times 6 is what? 6. So what do I have? I have 1, 2, minus 2. This is going to give me minus 22 plus 3 minus 6. If you evaluate, you are getting what? 38. 38? No. So you are going to get what? 28. So kindly check. Let's see. Okay, very good. So this is the determinant of the matrix what? A. Now we need to find the cofactors of the matrix A. So if I want to find the cofactors of the matrix A, let's say A11 is going to be what? What's the place value here? This is plus. So what do I have? I have what? 2 minus 0, which is equal to what? 2. Then the place value of 1, 2 is what? Minus. So this is the 2. If you strike out the column and row, so I have 5, 4, which is what? Because 4 times 2 is going to be what? 8 minus 5 times 6, which is what? 30. That is going to be what? 22. Then let's find the place value of 1, 3. If you strike out, what do I have? The place sign is what? Plus. So it's place sign. Okay. So what do I have there? 4 times 0 is what? 0 minus what? 6. which is also going to be minus what? 6. Then let's come to A 2 1. So we are still forming the cofactors of the matrix what? A. So for A21 is 4. So I want to find the cofactor there. So I have the place sign is minus 4 minus 0, which is also what? Minus 4. Then the place value of 2, 2. Place sign. The place sign of 2, 2 is what? Positive. If we form the determinants under, if you strike out, what do I have? 4 times 2, which is what? So I have this. Let's cross out. So I have 1 times 2 here, which is what? 2 minus 3 times what? 6, which is what? 18. What will that give us? Minus what? 16. Then A23. What is the place sign of A23? That is what? Minus. So A23, this is A23. So let's form the matrix under A23. So I have what? 1, 2, 6, what? 0. So 1 times 0 is going to give me 0 minus 6 times 2 is going to be what? 12. So what do I have here? 12. I have 12 there. Okay, then let's go. Let's move on. A31. What's the place sign of A31? It's plus. Let's form the determinants under A31. So what do I have? A31. So I have 2, 3, 1, 5. So 2 times 5 minus 1 times 3. So 2 times 5 is 10 minus 3, which is going to be equal to what? 7. Then A32. What is the place sign at A32? It is what? Negative. Then let's form the determinant. So if you form the determinants, you have what? 1, 5. We have 1, 3, 4, 5. So 1 times 5 is going to give us 5, 4, 3, 12, which is going to be what? Positive 7. Then A33. What is the place sign? Positive. So let's form the determinants under A33. So we strike out the column and the row. So you realize I have 1. So this is 1. Don't forget 2, 4, 1. Okay. So I have 1 times 1 to give me 1. 4 times 2 is 8. So this gives us what? Negative 7. Very good. So we have been able to find the cofactors for each element. So if you can see. Okay. So now let's write our matrix, our new matrix of cofactors of A, which is B. So now B is what? Okay, so let's look at it. I have 222 minus 6. So 222 minus 6. Then the second row is what? Minus 4, minus 16, and 12. So minus 4, minus 16, and 12. Then the third row is what? 7, 7, negative what? 7. So I have 7, 7, negative what? 7. Very good. So now we know we have been able to form what? The cofactors of the matrix what? A. If I want to find the adjoint of the matrix A, it says what? Adjoint of A is what? The transpose of our new matrix, which is the cofactors that we have formed. So now our adjoint of A is going to be the transpose of this matrix, which is going to be 2, 22 minus 6 minus 4 minus 16, 12, 7, 7 minus 7. So now this is what? The adjoint of our matrix what? A. So now we have been able to find the determinants. Now we know what? The adjoint of the matrix. So we can find the inverse, which says that the inverse is what? Each element of our adjoint divided by what? The determinants. So now our inverse of A, I hope I can clean this part. So inverse So our inverse of A is going to be what? 1 over the determinant of A times what? The transpose, which is equal to, what was the determinant? The determinant was what? 28. So I have 1 over 28 of the adjoint, 2 minus 4, 7, 22 minus 16, 7 minus 6, 12 minus what? 7. So this is the inverse of our what? Initial what? Matrix what? A. Yes. So this is where we are ending today. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you for subscribing as well. Don't forget to like, share, and give your comments below, and we'll kindly respond to it. Madam Asipa. Don't forget also to wear your face mask when you are going out. And kindly wash your hands with soap and running water in this season. We are not in a normal season. Stay safe. Bye-bye.